There's so many different ways to prepare prawns, but my favourite would have to be garlic prawns. Usually it's done in a lot of butter, but I'm going to show you a real lighter way of doing it by using extra virgin olive oil, garlic of course, and heaps of chilli. It's such a show-stopping dish. Now I'm going to preheat my pan just to a medium to high heat, and I'll add the extra virgin olive oil to heat up. I think there's this misconception that extra virgin olive oil shouldn't be used for frying, and that's completely false. I love to use a lighter virgin olive oil, just like this cold pressed one, to fry in, because it does get up to that high heat, and that's what we want to fry our garlic, our chilli, and of course our prawns. So pretty much coating the bottom of this pan. We'll let that warm up and we'll add our garlic. Now, this is the only critical part of this dish. You don't want to burn the garlic because you want it to stay lovely and sweet and not bitter. And we'll add some chilli. And you can see that I've finally chopped everything. I'm ready to go, almost like a stir fry, because once you start cooking, you want to go all the way to the end. The prawns have also been peeled and deveined. Gorgeous Aussie prawns here. And I've left the tails on for presentation. And we'll just give this garlic a swirl. And what's happening here is that garlic and the chilli is flavouring this oil, and it smells so good. So at this stage, we can add our prawns. So we'll line them up. And when you're cooking at a high temperature like this, you only need 1 minute, not even, on each side of these prawns, because they'll continue cooking when I take them off the heat. And we'll just check them. You can see how they've changed colour already. That's a key sign to already turn them in that gorgeous garlicky oil. Fantastic. Okay, now that the garlic is starting to go golden, we want to sort of halt the cooking of that garlic, so we'll add lots of white wine now, and we'll just give that a swirl. And olive oil and white wine together, it's just the best smell. We want to reduce this wine by a little, and because they're curling up like this, I know that this is almost cooked, so it's the stage to add some parsley. This is all about flash frying, minimal ingredients. The less ingredients, the more the hero shines here, and that's why I really want to emphasize on just keeping it simple. So we'll just roughly chop our parsley, and I'll add that now. Some salt and pepper. And these are ready to be plated up. Now, because of all that delicious extra virgin olive oil sauce, you need something to mop it up with. So I've toasted some bread, I've char grilled that. We'll pop that into a shallow dish, just like this one. We'll add our gorgeous prawnsies on top. And you want to get a nice thick piece of sourdough for this, so it really absorbs all of that lovely sauce. And just with a big spoon, we'll drizzle that over the top. Oh, look at that. Is there anything better than prawns being completely dressed in a lovely golden sauce like that? So good. Finally, a small cheek of lemon just on the side, if you like, a little extra pepper. Prawns cooked simply in good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil. That right there is sensational.